Sure finding some cool spots on my travels, so if I ever do find a chunk of land that says Al, build on me, I'll have some great ideas.
Taking my time as the sun it shines on me and everyone that has come to find this world is cruel, but there's nothing new. Living in the moment is the only truth. But let's go slow. Living in the moment is the only truth. But let's go slow. Salted towns are where I'd rather be. They give me love and they set me free. The ocean's tides can't live without the moon. And darling, the same goes for me and you. Let's go slow. Living in the moment is the only truth. Let's go slow. Living in the moment is the only truth. Let's go slow. Living in the moment is the only truth. Now.
Well, I guess had I been paying attention, I would have realized that the only way in and out of this town was a boat. That would have saved me 30 minutes this morning.
Let's go slow. Living in the moment is the only truth. Let's go slow. Living in the moment is the only truth.
Gracias, Antonio. Hasta luego. Guess who's disappointed? I was so excited to see Megapaca, and everything's regular price and expensive in there. Plus, I don't need anything.